this video, we are required to find the area of the shaded square. So this one here. So we have an outer square which has a circle inscribed inside it, and the circle is of radius 5, while the outer big square, its side length is 8. So with that information, what is the area of this small square, the shaded one? First, let's label the points on our figure. Let this be center O. Let this point of tangency be A, this B, this one here, C, this D. Next, let us connect center O to point of tangency A and also center O to point B. So connect O to A and center O to point B. As we know, OA and OB are radius of the circle, so they are each 5 units. So OB is 5 and also OA is 5. Now, according to tangent to a circle theorem, the angle formed by the radius and tangent to the circle is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees and also this is 90 degrees. Now let this be E, this F, and this G, and this point here, let it be H. Now as you can see, EBOA is a square, so implying that side EA is equal to side BO, which is equal to 5. So this side EA is also 5. Now, supposing the side length of the shaded square is x, say its side length is x, so this will be x, this will be x, this will be x, and also this will be x. But remember, these 3 squares here are identical. So also these other sides will be x. All these other sides will be x. Okay? So therefore we can see that EF is x plus x, which is 2x. And since EA is 5, then that implies that FA will be equal to EA minus EF. So FA is, EA is 5 and EF is 2x. So FA is equal to 5 minus 2x. So from here to here is 5 minus 2x. Next step, let's drop a perpendicular line from point H here to line OA. So we drop a perpendicular, so this is 90 degrees. So let this point be point J. Next, let's connect point H to center O. So connect O to H, just like that. Now, since FHJA is a rectangle, that implies that FA is equal to HJ. So if FA is 5 minus 2x, then also HJ is 5 minus 2x. Also, FH is x, then HJ is x as well. But remember, we know that AO is radius of the circle, which is 5. So if AO is 5 and AJ is x, this implies that JO is equal to AO minus AJ, which is 5 minus x. Therefore, JO here is 5 minus x. Also, we can see that HO is radius of the circle, and we know that the radius is 5. So HO is 5. Now focusing on this triangle HJO, as you can see it's a right triangle, therefore we can use Pythagoras theorem to solve. So A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Our A is 5 minus X, so squared, plus our B is 5 minus 2X, 5 minus 2x squared, and our C, the hypotenuse, is 5. So 5 squared. Now, from A minus B squared being equals to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared, so expanding these two in this form, this here will become 25 minus 10x plus x squared. Then this here will become 25 minus 20x plus 4x squared. This is equal to 5 squared is 25. Now as you can see, this 25 cancels with this 25. It goes this side, they will cancel. So that cancels with that. So we are left with, so we have x squared plus 4x squared, we collect like terms. So x squared plus 4x squared is 5x squared. Then minus 10x minus 20x gives us minus 30x. Then plus 25. This is equal to 0. As you can see, these are all divisible by 5. So we divide the whole equation by 5. So we shall have x squared minus 30 by 5 is 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we come up with a quadratic equation and we're going to solve it by factoring. So x squared, now minus 6x is the same as minus 5x minus x, then plus 5, this is equal to 0. So we put this together and this together. This is minus. So in this bracket, we can see that x is common, so we factor it out. We shall have x into x minus 5. Then in this bracket, we can see that 1 is common, so we factor it out. So minus 1 into, this remains as x plus 5. This is equal to 0. Sorry, here we take out this negative is on this x, okay? So here we factor negative 1. So when you bring out negative 1, this becomes positive x and this becomes minus 5. So it's equal to 0. So x minus 5 is common, factor it out. Then here we shall be left with x and here we shall be left with minus 1. This is equal to 0. So we have two possible solutions for x. For x is equal to, x minus 5 is equal to 0, x will be equal to 5. So if we are to replace x is equal to 5 in height hj, so hj will be equal to 5 minus 2x. But we have got our value of x as 5, so hj will be 5 minus 2 times 5, which is 5 minus 2 times 5 is 10. This gives us negative 5 as the answer for height hj. But we know that hj represents length and it can't be negative. So we reject this solution. We reject x is equal to 5. So let's look at the other option, which was x minus 1 is equal to 0. So for this case, x is equal to 1. So if you substitute in 2 times 1 is 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3, which is practical. So our x value is 1. So now we can find the area of our shaded square. So area of shaded square, area is side squared, and our side is x, so x squared. So our x value we've got as 1, so 1 squared, and so area is 1 square unit. So that's the answer. That's the area of this shaded square. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Like, comment, and share your thoughts about the video in the comment section down below. Otherwise, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends for an enlightening experience. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.